In mining, in chemical plants, in water treatment systems, corrosion is the invisible cost that defines the service life of every facility. Piping that fails, tanks replaced every few years, unplanned shutdowns and operational risks no plant can absorb indefinitely. Fiberglass reinforced plastic was developed precisely for this environment. It doesn't corrode because it isn't metal. It resists acids, alkalis, abrasive and conductive media. And with the right combination of resin and reinforcement, vinyl ester, isophthalic polyester, or dual laminate systems with fluoropolymer liners for the most severe service, a properly engineered FRP asset operates for decades in conditions where carbon steel doesn't last more than a few years. In mining, storage and process tanks for sulfuric acid, leach solutions and electrolytes, conveyance piping and gas extraction systems. In chemical and petrochemical, pressure vessels, ventilation ducting, and structures for highly corrosive media. In water and wastewater, conveyance systems, treatment tanks, and structural platforms. Plastimarmol FRP has been manufacturing these solutions from Hermosillo, Sonora for more than 40 years. Nearly 200 specialized professionals, more than 2,600 completed projects, ISO 9001:2015 certification. We design and manufacture to ASTM D3299, ASTM D4097, and ASTM C581. By filament winding or contact molding, depending on service conditions, we don't build standard parts, we build the exact engineered solution your operation needs. If your operation handles corrosive media and you're looking for an FRP manufacturer with proven technical expertise, let's talk. Explore our capabilities at plastimarmol.com and reach out to us directly. Plastimarmol FRP, custom corrosion-resistant solutions since 1983.